Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Finance Titans channel, your ultimate destination for all things crypto. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on the latest crypto news and insights. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and a true pioneer in the blockchain space. Join us as we unravel the story, explore its technology, use cases, challenges, and discuss the future prospects of Ethereum. Ethereum was introduced in 2015 by a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin. Building upon the foundations of Bitcoin, Buterin envisioned a decentralized platform that could support not only digital currency, but also smart contracts and decentralized applications. With the launch of the Ethereum blockchain, a new era of possibilities emerged, revolutionizing the way we think about blockchain technology. Ethereum quickly gained attention and support from the crypto community due to its innovative approach and vision. Unlike Bitcoin, which primarily serves as digital money, Ethereum aimed to provide a platform for developers to build decentralized applications using smart contracts. This marked a significant shift in the blockchain landscape and opened up new avenues for innovation and creativity. At the heart of Ethereum lies its blockchain technology, which is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions and smart contract execution. What sets Ethereum apart from Bitcoin is its ability to support smart contracts, self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions. These smart contracts enable developers to build decentralized applications on top of the Ethereum blockchain, opening up a world of innovation and potential use cases. Ethereum's blockchain operates on a decentralized network of computers known as nodes, which work together to validate and record transactions. This distributed nature ensures transparency, immutability, and resistance to censorship. Smart contracts are the backbone of Ethereum's programmable blockchain, enabling developers to create applications with automatic execution of predefined action. Smart contracts are the building blocks of decentralized applications on Ethereum. They are programmable agreements that automatically execute predefined actions when certain conditions are met. This eliminates the need for intermediaries and provides a secure and transparent way to facilitate transactions, exchanges, and interactions. Smart contracts have found applications in various industries, including finance, supply chain management, gaming, and decentralized finance. The power of smart contracts has opened up endless possibilities for innovation and disruption. Smart contracts are self-executing and self-enforcing agreements that run on the Ethereum blockchain. They eliminate the need for intermediaries, such as lawyers or brokers, by automatically executing actions once specific conditions are met. For example, a smart contract can facilitate a peer-to-peer loan by automatically releasing funds to the borrower once the agreed-upon conditions are fulfilled. This automation reduces costs, eliminates the need for trust, and enhances efficiency in various domains. The power of smart contracts is exemplified in their use cases. DeFi has emerged as one of the most prominent use cases for Ethereum smart contracts. DeFi protocols enable users to lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest on their digital assets without the need for intermediaries. These protocols leverage smart contracts to automate processes such as loan issuance, collateral management, and interest payments. DeFi applications built on Ethereum have attracted billions of dollars in total value locked, revolutionizing the traditional financial landscape. Ethereum smart contracts have facilitated the tokenization of assets, enabling the creation and issuance of digital tokens representing real-world assets like real estate, art, or equity. Additionally, Ethereum played a significant role in the initial coin offering boom of 2017, allowing projects to raise funds by issuing tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's blockchain technology is being utilized in supply chain management to enhance transparency, traceability, and efficiency. Smart contracts can track the movement of goods, verify authenticity, and automate payments based on predefined conditions. This reduces the risk of fraud, improves supply chain visibility, and streamlines operations. Ethereum smart contracts have fueled the rise of blockchain-based gaming and non-fungible tokens. FT are unique digital assets that represent ownership of a specific item or piece of content, such as artwork, collectibles, or virtual real estate. Ethereum smart contracts enable the creation, ownership, and trading of FT, revolutionizing the gaming and digital art industries. Ethereum's blockchain can be used to establish decentralized identity system, By leveraging smart contracts, individuals can have control over their personal data and selectively share it with authorized parties, reducing the reliance on centralized identity providers and enhancing privacy and security. These are just a few examples of the diverse use cases made possible by Ethereum's smart contracts. The flexibility and programmability of the Ethereum blockchain have opened up endless opportunities for developers and entrepreneurs to innovate and reshape various industries. Ethereum has been on a journey to upgrade its blockchain infrastructure through a major upgrade called Ethereum 2.0, also known as S2 or Serenity. One of the key changes in Ethereum 2.0 is the shift from the current proof-of-work consensus mechanism to proof-of-stake. POS allows participants to secure the network by holding and staking their Ethereum, thus reducing energy consumption and increasing scalability. Ethereum 2.0 aims to improve the network's throughput, security, and energy efficiency, enabling it to handle a significantly larger number of transactions. Ethereum 2.0 is not just an upgrade in terms of scalability, but also opens up new use cases and opportunities. With the introduction of shard chains, Ethereum 2.0 will enable parallel processing of transactions and smart contracts, significantly increasing the network's capacity. This scalability boost will make Ethereum even more attractive for applications that require high transaction throughput, such as decentralized exchanges, gaming platforms, and payment systems. The future of Ethereum holds immense promise. With Ethereum 2.0 underway, the network aims to achieve greater scalability, security, and sustainability. This upgrade will unlock new possibilities for decentralized applications, drive further adoption, and enhance the overall user experience. Additionally, the integration of Ethereum with emerging technologies like decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and decentralized identity systems opens up exciting opportunities for innovation and disruption in various industries. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, Ethereum remains at the forefront of the decentralized revolution. The future of Ethereum is filled with potential. With its scalability improvements, Ethereum will be able to support a broader range of applications and use cases, expanding its impact across industries. DeFi will continue to flourish, providing more inclusive and accessible financial services. ETHs will revolutionize digital art, collectibles, and gaming experiences. Decentralized identity solutions will empower individuals to control their personal data. As Ethereum evolves and adapts to emerging technologies, it will remain a key player in shaping the decentralized future. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into Ethereum. We've explored its origins, blockchain technology, smart contracts, decentralized applications, Ethereum 2.0, DeFi challenges, and the future prospects of this groundbreaking platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of crypto with us.